Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are currently going to Maryland for winter trip. So we're actually going to be a little bit busy. It's not going to be just for Christmas. We're going to go camping with my cousin and his other boys that make some films. So it should be interesting. I just came to the studio to pick up some last things. As you can see, I've got everything in the back. So I've got a couple lights. Obviously the sleeping bag, which I'm going to be using. And yeah, it should be interesting. I should be getting there around 2:30 in the morning. And I'm just hoping that we'll make it safe and sound. It's snowing outside, so it's a little crazy, but we should be good. Already drank some coffee. Probably gonna stop by and get more coffee on the way. But it should be cool. Cool little vlog. I'll catch you guys. I don't know if you can see it through the screen, but it is very much snowing. Not too crazy, but got some snow. Yeah, it should be interesting. Obviously, we can't leave without getting some gas. Maybe not. No gas. Alright, so I lied. I had to stop by home. Forgot my freaking shoes. But as you can see, it is very much snowing. It looks very cool, actually. Very, very nice. Alright, now we're actually outie. See ya. Alright, so there was a huge crash on the highway, and that delayed us like 40-45 minutes. It kind of sucks, but at least we're still good. So now the new arrival time is, I don't know if you can see it, 3:40. So I just stopped at the gas station, got some tea, and then some nice cookies. So we're on the way now, and we should be there soon. Got an hour 20 left. 3:37. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but 3:37. We made it here safe and sound. A little bit late, but here we go. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're about to meet up with my cousin right now, Eric, and his friends. So we're just waiting for him right now, currently here in Maryland. And as you can see, it is very nice. Maryland has some really nice places here, honestly. So yeah, so we're just waiting for them, and then after that, I think they're gonna put some more stuff in my car, and then we'll be on our way there. It's a like 2.5 hour drive. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be that long, but you know, what can you do? It should be fun, and I'm excited. Yeah, it should be a nice experience. So, and we'll get some nice footage. How cold, dog? Bro, the whole car is packed. We got zero service, and we're in the middle of bumblefuck. Holy shit. We got no service, and we don't know where our friends are at. So, it's very interesting. This is the only car. I hope it's them. If it's not them, we're fucked. Nope, it's not them. This is so sick. I mean, it's kind of, I guess to some it would be kind of creepy, right? Just pitch black. But it's like, bro, that is insane.
Snowed in.
Bro, this shit is packed in this room. Bro, get the lights. Holy shit.
Definitely packed up.
That shit is crazy.
On cabin.
Yo, they appeared. We're not lost anymore. Damn, son. Yeah, it's picked up now too. That's crazy. Woo. Alright, Alright, so we have to register our cars and how many people are here. So we just put in this envelope, put in all your information, and this is a little cabin that is all this stuff in, which is pretty cool. I'm freezing though, my hands are gone. It's gonna be a long night, but should be fun. We'll see. Holy crap.
I'm a one trip man, dog. Where's the path?
Where the fuck do we go?
Oh, point it out here. We see the light. What? Oh, shit, you're right. My bad.
Really?
Well, they're not coming for Monday, so this is the last time in those outfits and it's selling them.
Oh man. Alright guys, the lighting is questionable and we actually had to change the location for this tent because we got kicked out of the other side. I don't know, it was like, I don't know, misunderstanding, but we found a new spot and we just got some fire. I've never been this excited about some fire, but we just got some fire, so we're gonna have some food and hopefully some hot chocolate, which is cool. And let me show you guys. I know it looks like crap right now. Maybe it's just because of the lens, but sleeping bag, another sleeping bag, another cables, heater, another sleeping bag. Then we got that. The tent itself is actually kind of big, so we have some space behind here, another sleeping bag, and let me show you guys outside. I'm vlogging right now.
Oh, you're vlogging.
So we got all this crap out here. Another sleeping bag, more sleeping bags, and propane tank. We got Eric right here. The man. I don't know what this is right here, but
it's here.
But it's here. This is it. And then here's the freaking tent, man. This shit is crazy. So we're still missing a lot of stuff, but there it is. We got that. And then I'll show you guys the fire. Say what's up to the vlog, guys. We got some fire. You got Juan.
I'm so cold.
Yeah, this is pretty good. It could have been way worse.
Honestly, the fact that we got fire is
Amazing.
kind of...
Yeah, the fire started, I think, Juan, if we want to keep this on, I don't know how long you want it on, but these fires started
This
dying in
is
2 hours.
crazy.
Maybe less.
I'm just gonna say
I was glad of the fact that
We got some hot
the tent's
cocoa.
already set, but I'm glad of the fact that
Oh, man.
it can go like small. I was like, if it can't reach that,
Yo, you gotta try some of this hot cocoa, bro.
hot cocoa.
This shit is crazy.
You ever seen Blue's Imaginary World shit? Like the Foster's Home for Imaginary.
Alright, guys. Got everybody here now. We cooked up some, what is this? Campbell's Chunky. Pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. Campbell's Chunky. Very, very good. Holy crap, this is like saving the night. And we had some hot chocolate. So we put in this, whatever, coffee cup. Amazing. I don't know how we got the fire going, but this thing is saving the whole night. So, oh man, I'm happy. I'm happy we got some food, and we're gonna try and hopefully get some sleep. But it's like 1 in the morning right now, and it's cold outside. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Look at that. We're about to cook another one up.
Yeah.
Chunky. What is this called? Campbell's Chunky.
Yeah, you just pull it open.
Cool.
So unfortunately,
Pop that
I
open.
couldn't. Yeah, that we couldn't put up. In a sense, you
So
feel me?
what?
Like,
He's
it's
telling
like-
us we're about to freeze.
basically, we're gonna freeze to death. Otherwise, there's an option, maybe, perhaps, of us sleeping okay. But it's time to figure out.
We're about to find out. We're about to find out. Man. In the meantime, we're gonna cook some more.
Get this fire
Get
going.
some more chunky. In the meantime, we're gonna cook some more of this. Oh man. We just put some more fire in the fire. If that makes any sense. I don't know. Don't care. That looks amazing. Now we're cooking out some more water. And the good old chunky Campbell Chunkies, whatever. Shout out to them.
They're in a bowl over there.
Good actually now, yeah, like I said, that's why I like these. They take all the weight off you.
Yeah.
I feel like
It's better than the fucking.
Lego.
It's better than the fucking
Oh,
jumbo
shit.
shit that you had on.
Looks like a
I feel
robot.
like the DP that came up with the idea for this.
Alright guys, we are on set for this short film that Juan is filming, and we're just capturing some B-roll on my camera. He has his own camera. He's using a Blackmagic Pixis, I think it's called. I can't really tell you too much, but we're shooting this short film. We're here in the woods here in Maryland. It's pretty cool, I can't lie. It's been a long couple days. Well, not couple days, but it's been a long day, I guess, yesterday. As you can see from previously, the day is really nice. We got some nice views here, and we're getting some pretty cool shots. So we're about to go over there. We're gonna start filming some more. But in the meantime, here we are. All right, so we got the shot list here, and then we got Eric, the main star, right there.
With the script.
Hell yeah! We about to run this scene right here by the campfire.
I don't want to do this, but
got
you know,
Juan.
sometimes some actors are old bitches. They don't want to come out. But, you know, that's how we roll. So. It is what it is.
There we go.
You
We
try to
got-
put it in the middle. What's up, homie?
Joey running DP.
Yep.
Right
Got
here.
the main camera,
Hell
secondary
yeah.
camera,
Sound
sound.
audio. This is dope.
Eric,
And then this is
you want to wear
where we're pulling focus from. I'm gonna be pulling focus from here.
wear a sweater. Ain't
Very
no
cool.
one camping wearing, like,
Second win, scene 1, Bravo, take 2.
action.
Sound speeding.
Scene 2, Bravo. Roll 28. Take 1.
Action.
It's just the way that Eric's angle is.
I mean, I can step off too. Just
So you could get maybe closer to him. Then I could
You
get.
want to get both?
Rolling.
Sound speeding.
Rolling.
Scene 2, Charlie. Roll 31. Take 1.
I was including that as part of the two. This looks super long. Do you trust me?
Alright, so we just finished filming for today. We got the whole crew here, just cleaning up. Got all the shots. Fortunately, we couldn't get all the shots, so we will have to shoot some other time, but we got enough. It's like 20 degrees out here. Super, super cold. And yeah, you got everybody here.
Well, I'll make room for this real quick then.
Yo, what's up, guys? So we just made it back home now. It is about 12:47 right now. It's pretty late, but I'm just happy to be home, safe and sound, to be honest. It was a crazy, like, day and a half, whatever. We really camped outside, and it was like 15 degrees outside. I kid you not, I felt like I was gonna like freeze to death, but luckily we all good. And yeah, we're just here. Happy shout out to Juan. He put all this together and shoot this little short film. This is the reason why we all came out. And unfortunately, we weren't able to finish shooting everything because equipment started just turning off because of cold and everything. But stay tuned. We should have it done, you know, in the near future. If not, we'll see if we get this vlog or whatever. But see you guys.